Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the programming guide channel. My name is Bitchways, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use the Grok Imagine, as you can see on my screen. So the Grok Imagine is actually a very good app for where you can create your videos and image though AI oriented. So once you install the app through your Play Store or your Apple Store, let me go there and show you. Go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for Grok Imagine. So you click on install and install the app. Once installed, you click on open, and once open, you sign in or sign up using your email, your Gmail, right? And once login, this is what is going to look like. You can actually use the website by going to your Chrome while you're using your system, which is a laptop, right, or your computer. So you search your you can just go Grok Imagine. Grok Imagine, so you can use the website directly. So as you can see right here, and you can see it. So once you're using your laptop or your computer, you have access to a lot of feature more than someone using the mobile or Android or iPhone. So let's go back to the app. So once you go to the app, and you can see a lot of templates created, you can use them to create something you want, and you can go to these two lines you can see up there and have a new conversation. And you can also, okay, let's go back. You can also create an image. You can type something. Let's say I want to create a video. Okay, this kind of video. And what you are going to do is you can just type in something, a dancing cart, for example. Dancing carts, dancing darts. So it's going to take a while to actually process. It's going to read from 1% to 100%. So you can see generating video. So once it's generated, you can now click on the save icon right there, and you can see other options: spicy, normal. So let's wait for it to load up. So now let's go to Ask AI. So you can ask AI for a lot of things. You can change your voice mode and do a lot of things with the Grok Imagine, right? So you can see here, you can see this place right here is where you get to see the videos you've created and images. So as you can see, this is one of the videos I created. So you can see this one. Let's check this one out. You can see it's actually dancing because I asked for a dancing cart. So you can see this app is actually good for video editors, people that make contents with AI videos and the rest of that. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get a helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.